Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube tutorial video. Today we're going to be building this website in Canva. We're going to be using Canva free plan to build this website. This is a shopping website I set up in Canva, and those of you who are looking to sell few products, this is a great option for you. Those of you who do also have the budget to build advanced websites, then this is an option for you. Okay, but before we start this whole tutorial, I would like to tell you the downside of doing this, the downside of building a website in Canva. The problem is that you are restricted and you don't own your own domain name. Okay, your domain name is going to have canva.site attached to it. Okay, and the second part is that it's not flexible, just like on free web builders. Anything that is free comes with downsides. Okay, so if you want to learn my step-by-step tutorials, my advanced strategies, building your own website, having the full control, full flexibility to having your own domain name, your own hosting account, your own cPanel, to control your website, and even have your own database where you can migrate it to a different platform in future, then remember to check this video in the description or in the card, where I teach you in depth how you can build your own websites step by step. On this channel, I show you how you build your own website. You can build websites starting from simple looking websites to advanced website with advanced features. But hey, if you're selling few products, somewhere 2 to 3 products or 4 products, not up to 10 products, this is also a great tool you can use to build your shopping website and scale in future. Okay, you may not have the budget to start right away, so I'm going to be teaching you how you can build this amazing shopping website using Canva. And if you don't know what Canva is, then you can watch YouTube videos about Canva. But in short, Canva is a graphic design tool. It's an online graphic design tool we use to build or to design images and other graphic design things. Okay, so you can check Canva. If you're excited to see video like this where I'm teaching you how to build websites in Canva, then stay tuned, because right now I'm going to be showing you how you can get started building a website like this. If you are not clear with my step-by-step guide, that's why the comment area is there. Utilize it. If I'm not able to help you, I'll redirect you to a rightful resource. If this is your first time here on the YouTube channel, join the community by subscribing to the channel. That way, anytime videos like this are released, you are notified. If you're also a subscriber and you are here for the second time, you're welcome. Let's get the tutorial started. Alright, so the first thing we will need is to get a Canva free account. So to get one, you need to type canva.com and you land on a page just like this. Okay, you can scroll down and read about Canva. Okay, so to your extreme right is sign up. Click on sign up. Good. Now you can click here to sign up with your email. Okay, so click on it to sign up with your email. Good. Now enter your email address, click on continue, and that is it. You are signed up just like that. After that, go ahead and then log in with that email, the email you used to sign up. Okay, so in this part, I'm going to log in with my email. So I'll click on log in, and then I'll click on continue with Gmail, Google. Okay, so I'll just click there and then choose your Gmail account. Okay, so you log in with your Gmail account. It will take you to your Canva dashboard, and this is how your dashboard is going to look like. Those of you who are not new to Canva, this is not going to be a challenge. It's not going to be a problem for you. But if this is your first time using Canva, then that's what I'm just showing you. I'm teaching you from scratch how to create account on Canva, and then how to get to your dashboard. So after you log in, now you will be welcome with a dashboard just like this. Make sure you click on the home. After that, in this search box, search field, make sure you type website. Okay, so type website. Perfect. And then wait for it to load. After that, click on this website thing. You can also click on new website. In this part, I'm going to click on website and then wait. Okay, so right after clicking on that website thing, you will be brought to a page just like this, and these are website templates Canva have already pre-designed for you, and you can choose these templates, customize them, and then publish it as a website. So I'm going to be showing you from scratch how you can build your website, how you can build your own website from scratch, just like this. Okay, so we're going to be building this website from scratch. We're not going to be using their templates. Okay, we're going to be building it from scratch. So what I want you to do is to just choose one of the free templates, because after all, we're going to be deleting what is in there, and then leave a blank slate, blank canvas, okay, to work with, okay, or blank template. So just click on the first one and then wait for it to load. All right, that is loaded successfully. Now you can scroll down and see the pages that are there. Okay, now to your left, you'll be able to see extra templates you can use for your website. Okay, so you see here templates, and blue we have website, portfolio, food, blog, and there are a lot of templates you can use. So you simply, let's say you want to use this template, you simply click on it and then wait, and after clicking on it, it will display all the pages that are in that particular template, and these pages represent your web pages. So the first one automatically will be your home page, and this one will be other pages. Okay, and we have contact us and other pages. Now let's say you want to apply these or this template to your working template here. You simply click on apply all 6 pages, or apply, depending on the number of pages you have in here. So you simply click on apply all pages, and everything here will be transported or exported or applied to this exact working area. So you wait for the pages to load today or to your actual working area. Perfect. Now everything is updated. Now you can scroll down and see what is here. You can see it looks like a website. You see that? Is that not amazing? Perfect. So you can go ahead and then edit this. If you know how to use Canva, this is not a big deal. You simply go in there, edit it like you do on your graphic design assets. So let's say you want to change this image. You simply click on the image like this, and then you can delete this image and then upload your own image. So let me just press Ctrl Z to bring it back. Perfect. Now you can edit this text, do whatever you want to do with it, and after that you publish it as a website. So this part of the video is for those of you who don't know how to use Canva, but I'm going to be teaching you. If you know how to use Canva already, just wait, because I'll be teaching you from scratch how you can build your own website, and that's where the fun is going to begin. Okay, so now the next thing is maybe your buttons. So something like this, you'll be able to click on it. So after clicking on it, on top you need to click on this particular 3 dots. Perfect. And then click on this link. Good. So after clicking on that link, you'll be able to link this to any part of your website. So below you can see pages in document. So let's say you want to link this particular button to any of your pages. All you need to do is to choose your pages here, and this represents the pages you have within your working area. All right, so right now we have 6 pages, and you can see they are all here, and it's it's also a good practice to name your pages. Right now they are not titled, they are untitled. Okay, so let's say you want to link this particular button to your, okay, let's say this particular one, page 4. You simply click on it and then click on done. After you do that, this link will be simply, or it will be linked to page 4. Okay, so this is the third page and then this is the fourth page. So anytime someone clicks on that particular link, it will take the person to page 4. Is that not amazing? Okay, all right, so this is one of the moments we've all been waiting for. In this part of the video, I'm going to show you how you can build the website from scratch. We're not going to be using any of these templates. We want to have full control over what we can achieve or over our design process. So we need to build it from scratch. Okay, so I'm going to delete these templates or these pages, and then we build our own pages from scratch. But before that, I would like to show you a tour of the website we're going to be building. All right, perfect. So this is the website I built in Canva. You can see it looks like a normal website, WordPress website or hard-coded website. So we have home, about, products, you see that, support, and then contact. So if anyone clicks on any of these links, then it's supposed to take the person to that particular area of the website. And then products. So let me click on these links and then show you what the reaction would be. So if someone clicks on about, it will take the person direct to your about area of the website. And this is not our first time seeing something like this. Okay, in my tutorials I showed you people how to do this. If you want to see that, go ahead and watch my videos and you see something like this. And these are anchor menus. Okay, products, and you see it's taking us to the products section of the website. And then support, you can see that this is what we call anchor menus. You simply link your menus to those pages you want it to display. Okay, and then finally contact. Perfect. So I'm going to teach you or show you how you can achieve this in Canva. Okay, so stay tuned. Let me take you back to products, or you simply click on products and it will take you back to products. Now, right now I have 3 products on the website, and from the beginning of this video I made mention that this kind of website is for those who are selling few products not more than 4 or 5. But if you have a lot of products, then I would recommend you to go ahead and watch my in-depth tutorials on how to build your own flexible advanced website for yourself. Okay, good. So now let me show you how the whole purchasing process would look like. So your customer will land on your website like this and they will see your products just like this. Perfect. Now your products, this is just like a normal WooCommerce website or shopping website. So you have your product image with your pricing, your product name, some short description about this product. Now a button they can click to buy this product. Now I'll click on buy now and it will take us to a payment method. Now some of you will be maybe wondering how I achieve this in Canva. Don't worry, just stick around and see how I'm going to we're going to achieve it. Okay, so just stick around and it will take you a payment processor just like this, where they can enter their payment details and even billing address, and this is the address you're going to be using to ship these products. Now always make sure you are setting your price, so the price here should be the same as those prices you have on the home page. If not, it may confuse them. Okay, because someone click on buy now and then land on a page to see different prices. Is that not confusing? Okay, so I'll be teaching you how to do all these things. After that, so after they fill in the details, they'll simply click on pay now and they'll enter their credit card info, and this payment is coming to you directly to your account. So we're going to be using a payment method called Flutterwave to build this, okay, to integrate. So we'll integrate Flutterwave onto our website. All right, so in order to build a website like this, first you need your products, okay, your product images. What are the products you want to sell? So here are my products. All right, so I'll be using 3 to 4 products on the website. Go ahead and also make your product images ready, okay, because we will need it to upload to Canva in order to add it to the website to have that look. Okay, so it's a must to have your products, because if you don't have products, what are going to be selling? Now the next thing we're going to do is to go ahead and delete our Google Canva and then delete these pages or templates. Okay, so you can delete them. Go ahead and delete everything and make sure you have a blank. Good, perfect. Now click on this particular area, the an empty area, and then hit backspace. Okay, so just make sure you delete everything. Click on it and delete like this. Perfect. Good. You want to make sure top here you can also delete using this. Good. So now this is going to be our home page. All right, on top, make sure you name your website. All right, so what is the name you're going to be giving to this website? What do you want to call this website? So I will say maybe I'll name it shopper. So this is what I'm going to be giving it as my name. Okay, so shopper. You understand why we are changing this name in a moment, so just wait. Next, click on this particular pencil. Okay, so just click on it. Good. And on top you can see add page title. Click on it. Good. Now this is going to be a home. Perfect. Click in the box. Good. So the next thing we're going to do is to give our background color. So you go back to the website. Good. So this is going to be our background color. We're going to be working on or with our background color. So go ahead and give your website a background color. Then click on this particular area. Click here to choose background color. Click on it. So click on it and then choose your color. So in this case, I'm going to use this color. Let's try that one more time. Good. My background color has been changed. Next, we're going to work with our logo. So I'll need my logo. You can go ahead and design your logo and then upload it. Okay, you can design your logo and upload it and use it here. But in this tutorial, I'm going to be using my website name as my logo. So to do that, go back to your designing area like this and then click on text, because I'm going to be using text as my logo. So I'll simply click on text. Let's wait for the text thing to load. It is loaded successfully. Click on add heading. So just click on it. Good. Now this text thing here will be added just like this. Next thing we're going to do is to change this particular text. We're going to give it a font style, and always make sure your font style is consistent throughout. So this is my favorite font style. Okay, so I'll click on it. Good. Now go ahead and then change the color of this particular font. Okay, but before, let's just edit it. So double click inside to select your text. So we simply double click on inside, and then I'll give it a name. So my website name is going to be shopper. Okay, so let's see, shopper. All right, so this is the name I want to give to my website. Make sure you reduce this font style. So reduce it a bit. After reducing it, let's drag it. Okay, so you click on this and then you drag it to this particular area of the website. Okay, so good, we can leave it here and then change the color of it. So again, you double click inside to select everything, or just click and press on Ctrl A and it will be selected. Go ahead and change your text color. So click here and then choose white. In your case, you have to choose your own colors. So choose white. Good. Now click outside here. And as you can see, the text color has been changed and right now it is white, just like this. This is good. You can also play around with it, so just drag it to the area you want to be. Okay, but I think this portion of it is okay, so we leave it as it is. Good. So the next thing is our text. So we'll add some text here. Again, click on this particular add a title thing. So click on it. Now go ahead and enter your text. So we will add our text here. So go ahead and type it there. In my case, I'm going to paste my text here because I have it copied to clipboard already. And then next I'll click on font style and then change it to my favorite font style. After that, make sure you drag it like this. Good. And then grab it and drag it to the button small. So this portion of it is okay. Let's go back to the demo website and see what is there. Good. Good. This is how it is, or it should look like. Now let's increase the font size. Okay, so we'll go back to our website and then we can increase the font size a little bit. Good. So this is okay. Now let me see. So you see this one, we need to change the color of the best to white. So go back there, click, highlight it, and then change the color to white. Good. Perfect. Next, we're going to be adding our buttons. Okay, so to add your buttons, you have to go to elements. So you go to elements. Good. You can type here buttons, but we are lucky enough to have button here. So just click on button and wait. Excellent. Now here are some buttons we can use. Some are free, some are paid, but we will be using this one, this free one. So just click on it. Excellent. Now let's resize it. So we resize it. Now we will duplicate it. So click on it and then click here to duplicate. Now there are two. We drag one to the left like this, and then we grab one and drag that one. So we grab it and drag it to the right, just like this. Now let's change their colors. Good. So the first one is white with text buy now. So I'll take you back there. Well, I'll change this color to white. So on top, change it to white. Excellent. And the next one is a kind of blue color. So I'll take you back there and then I'll change it to blue. And then I'll click or choose my favorite color. Perfect. This is good. Next, I'll need to add my text to it. So go back to text, click on text, and then this time you can choose this one, a subheading. Excellent. Now again, choose my regular font style and then make sure this is buy now. So buy now like this. You can also reduce the font size if you want to. Let's drag it and then leave it here. Good. Let's go back to our demo website. Excellent. So this buy now we have to reduce it a little bit. So to reduce it, you simply click here. So to me, this is okay. And then I'll drag it again a little bit to be in the middle. Good. We are good to go. Now, yeah, that is it, guys. Perfect. Next, we have to work on this one, which is shop all or all products. You can link it to any part of your website, okay? But I want to link it to my shop page, okay? So I'll be linking to my products page. So to do so, let's enter our text. So to make it easy for us, we can just copy it. So we right click on it like this, and then we copy it, and then we paste it. So right click again, and then you paste. After that, just grab it and then put it in here. After putting it there, you can change the color of it to white, but before that, let's just change it to shop or products. That one now depends on you, okay? So shop all like this. Good. Let's change the color. So we double click on it and click here to change our color to white. Perfect. Good. We are good to go. The next thing we will be doing now is to work on the image, because there is an image here, and also we need to shift the text to this side, so we're aligning it left and not center. So to get this, you need to click on it and then make sure you select everything. So Control A, and then on top here, right now it is aligned center. Click on it and then make sure it is aligned to the left, just like this. Next, we need to add what we call image frames. Okay, image frames, and I think it should be here, elements. Good. And then you can type here frame. So you can type frame and then click on frame and wait. Excellent. So these are image frames we will be using, or we can use on the website. So I'll be using this exact one, so I'll click on it and then it will display here. Just grab it and drag it to the right hand side of the screen or of your page, just like this. And after that, what we will be doing is to upload our images, and that's why I said you need to make sure you have your images uploaded. These are the videos I'm recording, so you need to make sure you have your images ready because you will need them to work with right away. And this is the image I'll be using on the side, so I'll go back to my working area and then click on upload. Excellent. Now upload an image or video, so click on upload again and then click on show all files and wait. Please navigate to where you have your images stored. In my case is here, and I'll click on products. Perfect. Now I'll click on this particular image, and also make sure your images backgrounds are removed. Okay, please, that way your website would look nice. So always remove your images background. So I'll double click on it and then wait, and this image will be uploaded to the website. And already I even have one here. Okay, so this is my second time uploading this image. Okay, but don't worry about that. So just click on it after uploading it. Perfect. Now make sure the size or the height of your image is the same as the frame. Good. After that, just drag it inside like this and leave it. Excellent. Now you can see that. So that is it, guys. It's not difficult. So our image is here. Excellent. So we're almost done working with the home page. So the next page is our, let's go ahead and check. So I'll take you back there and then scroll down, and that's the features. This page is very easy to create. Hello, in this part of the video we're going to be working on our second page, which happens to be this page, and that is our features page. So to work on this page, go back to your working area and then below click on add new page. Good. Let's change the background image of this particular page. So you click here. Excellent. And then you choose your background image. So I'll choose this as my background image. Next, we need to put our text. So we click on text and then click on add a heading. Excellent. After that, let's change the font style and then choose your preferred font style. In my case, I'm going to use this one, and then I'll type features. Okay, and I'll type features. You can type the all caps, so features like this. Let's change color. Click on text color and then choose white. Now let's drag it to the top. Please go ahead and click on text again, and this time click on a subheading. Okay, you can also click on this one. So click on a subheading and then click on subheading again. Perfect. Now drag this one to the left like this, and then drag this one to the right. Perfect. Now the first one happens to be fast charging. So fast charging. Good. And the second one is, so let me take you back to the website and we'll see what is there. So fast charging and durability. Let's go back. And then here we type durability. So durability. Excellent. Go ahead and change your font style. So we click on it, and then choose our font style from the drop down. This is my font style. I'll do that to this one too, and then from the drop down, go ahead and choose your font style. After that, click on text again, and this time we're now going to add some text, body text to it. So click on it again. Good. You can also duplicate it. So I'll drag this one to the left like this. Excellent. And then I'll bring this one down a little bit. Good. After that, we enter our text. So go ahead and enter your text. So I'll pause this video and enter my text here. Good. I went ahead and added my text to my document. You can also go ahead and do that. But for now, what I want to do is to adjust or align it properly. So you can use this arrow to align your text, as well as the one to the left, to the right, and then you align it. You can also use left alignment, center alignment, and align your text the way you want it to look like. Okay. After that, you can group your text. So let's highlight everything like this. Good. And then let's click on these three dots and click on group. Now, what is the essence of grouping your text? One of the reasons why we always group our text is that, let me give you an example. So after grouping it this way, if I'm to move this text, the text below, to the right, the top text is also moving. That's why we group it. That way it will make moving your text within the page very easy. Okay, so it's very good to group it. Something like this, we have not grouped it, and so if I'm to drag this, the top or the heading, the subheading will stay where it is. Okay, so we have to group it. So let's also group this one by simply highlighting everything here and then clicking on the three dots and click on group. Excellent. And we're almost done with the second page of the website. Is this not simple? Very, very easy. So the next page we're going to be working on is, let's scroll down a bit and then see. And this is one of the most important pages on the website, and that is the products page. So we need to work on our products page. This is where we're going to be displaying our products. So to work on your products page, go back to your working area and then click on add new page. So click here. Perfect. Now the background color over there is orange. Excellent. Now we need a heading for it. So click on text and then click on heading. After that, let's change the font style to this one because it's my favorite font style, and I'll change the font color to this one. Excellent. Now next, I need to enter my text. So this one will be what? Products. So go ahead and type products. After that, drag it to the top. Good. So leave it as it is. Now let's go back and see what is there. So next we have 3 images. So that means we will be adding frames. So 3 frames on the page. So go ahead and add your frames. Now to add your frames, you can go to elements and then type frame. Okay, but if you have it here, just click on frame and then choose your frame. I'm fortunate enough to have my frame here, so I'm going to use this. So I'll click on it, 1, I'll click on it again, 2, and I'll click on 3 because I need 3 frames. So I'll drag the first frame to the left and leave it here. Drag the second frame to the right and leave it here. And then all I have to do now is to resize my frames. Make sure they take equal length, equal height. Okay, do that. It's very, very necessary. So we do that. Right now I'm adjusting the height of these frames. So also go ahead and adjust your frames height. Okay, you can also reduce it further if you want to. It's not a big deal. And then this one, excellent. Now let's go ahead and add our product name. So this is going to be our product name. So product 1, product 2, product 3. In your case, you have to put your actual products names. Okay, so go ahead and click on text, and this time we will be using the subheading. So click on subheading. Good. Click on it again and click on it again 3 times. Excellent. Now leave this one where it is and drag this one to the right like this, and also drag this one below. Good job, you are doing well. Now let's reposition our frames, that way we'll have space to work with. So we resize it this way, and then in my case I'm going to be typing product 1 or item 1 here. So I'll put item 1 and I can drag it further to the top and leave it there. Here will be item 2. Item 2, and we drag it here, and finally item 3. So we type item 3 and I will drag it to the top. Perfect, leave it there. Now next thing is you can change the colors of the title. Okay, you can change the colors, very simple. Okay, you can also reduce the font size of this if you want to. You can reposition it. Okay, if you feel like it's not aligned properly, you can do that. Next is our description. So we have some small description beneath our product titles. So we have to, let me just copy what is here and then we'll use it on my working area. Good. Now this time what you'll be doing is you click on this body, you can click on it again, click on it again. So make sure there are 3. Okay, good. Now pick the first one and then put it here. Like this, and then make sure you enter the text, the description of that item. so you enter it here. Okay, so I will just delete this to make it shorter. Perfect. Now I can use this to reduce it further, use this to reposition it. Okay, so you see, it's not a big deal doing this thing. It's not difficult. Right, and enter your text here. So I'll simply enter my text here. This is demo text. Okay, don't mind me. This is demo text. Now I'll leave it here, and finally I'll grab this one beneath and then highlight it and enter my text here. Okay, like this, and then I will resize it a bit. Good. Now let's reposition it. Excellent. Let's go back to the site and check. And then the next thing is our button. Okay, so we'll put button here, and button here, so that they can click and buy the products. Okay, so let's go back there. Now to get your buttons, make sure you go to elements. Once you are there, type button here. You can also use below, okay, this one's to choose your button. Okay, in my case, and I'm fortunate enough to have my button here already, so I'll simply click here to reveal it and then click on my button. And I need 3 of them, so I can simply duplicate it here. So 1, 2. After that, I'll grab my first button and then leave it here. I think here is okay. I'll grab my second button, leave it here. Okay, and then the final button, I will grab it and then just leave it here. Next, we need to change the colors of these buttons, so I'll change it to this color. Then the second one, I'll change it, and then the third one, I'll change it. After that, we need to enter text, okay, so that they'll know what the button is saying. So that's your call to action. So click on text and then click on add a heading. Okay, we want this big one. Good. Now go ahead and reduce the size of it here, but before that you need to enter your text. So that's buy now, so buy. Good. Now you can resize it, you can make it bold. So I think making it bold will be better. So simply highlight it, click on bold. Excellent. Now let's grab it and then leave it here. Good. Now we can copy this exact thing, so let's just duplicate it. So click on it, you right click on it, all right. So let's go back there. Now on top you can see duplicate, so we just duplicate it twice and duplicate again. I should have changed the color before duplicating, but okay, we can still do it. So leave it here and then pick the other one, drag it to this part. Good. Now let's change the colors. So click on text color and then change it to white. Good. You do the same thing to the rest of them. So I'll bring it a little bit down and then click on white. After that, we do that same thing to the final button and then click on white. Perfect. We are good to go. Next is our images. Okay, our product images. And I have my product images already on my PC, and I've even uploaded them here. Okay, you can go ahead and upload your product images. Just drag your product images and then drop them here. You can also click here, upload an image, and then those images will be uploaded to Canva. It's very simple. It's not difficult. So let's wait for the thing to load so that I'll use these images on my work. All right, let's go through the upload process and see how we can upload our images. So click on upload. You see this upload. After clicking on it, click on this upload an image. So click on it. And it will take us to our folders where we have our images. Okay, so choose your images. Okay, you can choose your images here and upload them all at once. Good. So I want to upload everything here, and I'll click on open and wait, and all these images will be uploaded to Canva, and we will use it to or on our project. Okay, we're using those images on our real project. So you wait for these images to upload. And as you can see, these images are uploading. Now let's start using them. Okay, so the first image on the website will be, let's go back, this particular one is here. So let's go back there, and then here is it. So let's click on it. Good. Now make sure the image height is the same as your frame. So we drag it to the frame and then we leave it there. So to the left, and then you leave it. Excellent. Next, the next product will be this black phone. Okay, so we'll go back there and then we'll click on it and wait, resize it this way, drag it and leave it. Great. And finally, let's see. Perfect. So we'll go back there and then we use this image. Please resize it a little bit further and then drag it here and leave it. Good. We are almost done with the products page. Next, we need to at least change our font style, font size, and our font color here. So I would like to change the text color to white, and then I'll do that to the rest of them. So I'll change them to white, and then this one to white. Good. And then we'll need our price tag. Okay, let me show you what I'm talking about. This is our price tag. See? All right, so let's go back. Great. Now go to elements, click on this circle, good. Now let's resize it. Okay, to look smaller, not all that big. Okay, after that, change the color to white. Excellent. Drag it to this portion of it. Okay, so we want it to be like this, and the inside will enter our price. So let's say this one is $2. All right, for now, let's remove the text and undo the changes. Okay, so I think we have to redo it. So click on it, resize it a little bit. Okay, this is okay. Change the font style, sorry, the color to white. Good. Now let's make duplicate of it. Okay, so you simply copy and then you paste it twice. So you paste and paste. Now grab this one and place it here. The second one, place it this way. And then the third one. Okay, right now we don't have a third tag, so let's just paste it one more time, and then we drag that one too and leave it here. Now to add your text, come to text and then let's use a sub heading. Good. This time we need to bold it, so click on bold. Excellent. Change it to assign your price, so somewhere $2, and after that change the font color, the text color, change it to white, and then drag it. I'm sorry, we need to change it to black. Okay, so let's go back and change it to black. Perfect. So we can duplicate this exact text and use it throughout. So we simply click on it, copy, and then we paste twice. After that we grab it and then we leave it here. Make sure you change the price, so please enter the price, and this one will be, let's see, 4 and 8, so 4 to 4, and then the next one will be 8, so I'll drag it and then leave it here. Change your price from 2 to 8. Good job. Hello. In this part of the video, we are going to work on our support page. Now this is the page we're going to be working on. Right after the products page, the next page we will be working on is our support page. And this page is very simple to build. So let me go back to my work area, and this is Canva, and then below click on add new page. After that we change our background color to blue, and the next thing we're going to be doing is to add our image, because when you look at this page you can see there's an image to your right. So let's go back there and then upload an image. But first, we need to upload a frame. So I'll take you to elements. So you click on elements and then click on frames, or you type frame in this search box. So after clicking on it, you'll be able to search for your desired frame. In my case, this is the frame I want to use on my project. So I'll click on it and then I'll drag it to the right a little bit and then increase the size if you want to. It's the matter of being creative and come out with your own designs. Okay, so next we're going to add in our text. So the first text is going to be this one, which is expert support. So I'll simply copy this text and then I'll paste it over there. When you land on this page, go ahead and click on text and then click on add a heading. Please drag your heading to the upper part of your page. Here, go ahead and change the font size, font style, and this is my favorite font style. Go ahead and change your text color to white. Okay, so click on text color and then choose white. Enter your text, drag this to the right a little bit and then reposition it. Perfect. Now let's go back to the side. And the next thing is we'll be adding this particular text to the side. So you go through the same process we use in creating our first text. Good. Now go to text and this time add a subheading. Go ahead and paste your text in here. Change the font size of it. Okay. Align it left. So we left align. Reduce the font size like this. You can change the font style of it if you want to. Okay, excellent. Now let's drag it below. So we drag it. Perfect. Let's go ahead and check our progress. Good. So we're done with this text and we're done with the next one. Copy this text and then click on text. Again, click on add a subheading. Enter your text here. Go through the same process you used. Drag it below like this and leave it there. Next will be our locations. Okay, so you copy it, go back to the page and then click on text. This time click on subtitle or subheading and then paste your text here. After that, change it to and then change the color to black, text color. You can reduce the font size and drag it to the left. Leave it here. Go ahead and increase the height of your frame a little bit. Perfect. Now go back to the website and then we copy this text, but in your case, you have to type it manually there. Okay. Click on text, and then this time add body text. After that, drag it to the left and then paste your text here. Excellent. We need to reduce the font size, so reduce it a little bit. And then you drag it to the right, highlight everything, and then change it to white. After changing it to white, let's left align it. Okay, so left align, and then we further drag it to the right, and make sure you leave some space this way. Good. Now next we need to change the font style of this, so we simply highlight it, click on this drop down, and then we click on our font style. Excellent. In this part, we're going to work on our image. Okay, so to work on this image, you simply go to elements, and then in this search box type support. So type support or customer support. Click on customer support. Go ahead and click on this graphics. Okay, so click on it. Good. Drag it to your frame and leave it there. Fantastic. Now next we need to give it a background. So to do so, now in order to change your background, you simply have to go to elements, and then in the search box type white background. Okay, make sure you click on photos. Okay, and then type white background. After you type that, you see a lot of white backgrounds here. The one I would want you to use is the first one, so you can click on it. You can also use the second one, but I want the first one, so I'll click on it. Now reduce the size of this background, so reduce it. After reducing it, you drag it to the frame and leave it. Good. And we are done with this page. Okay, let's go ahead and work on our final page, which happens to be our support page. Now I realized our font size is big. Okay, so we need to reduce this font size. To reduce your font size, it's very simple. Just click on the font size you want to or the text you want to reduce, and then use this to adjust your font size. Okay, so go ahead and do that. Perfect. Now let's work on our last page, which happens to be our contact page. So click on add new to add a new page, and then we change the color of this page to orange. So we go there, and then we change the background color orange like this. Good. Now the only task we need to do here is to add our text, which is very simple. So to add your text, you simply, let's go back to our work area, and then I'll click on text. After that, click on add a heading. Good. Now change the font size, font style, reduce it a bit, and then we change the color to white. Excellent. Let's go ahead and see what is there. Now we have connect with us. So we go back there, and then you can type it manually. So let's say connect with us. Very simple and straightforward. Drag it to the left of your page, leave it here. Good. Let's go back. And then the next thing is our text. So main office, and then you can put your location here. So we have main office and social media. So I'll go back there, and then I'll click on text. Perfect. Click on heading, and then click on heading again. Good. Now let's change the font style. Reduce it. So this one, this is main office. So main office, and this one is social media. So we reduce this one as well, and then we change the font size style to Ganti Sans, and then social media. So social, or our social, you can make it unique. Okay, don't follow me. So our social, you can further reduce the font size of it if you want to. Perfect. Now let's drag this to the top here, and then you can leave it there. Next, we drag this one to this part of the screen, and then we leave it there. Now I can see a little bit bigger, so you can reduce the size of it by clicking on this thing here and then dragging it down. Okay, you can also use the font size to adjust it. All right, excellent. The next thing we are going to be doing on this page is to add our text. Okay, we'll be adding text here and here, because on our website we have text here, and below we have an email address. Let's go ahead and add these elements, and after that we'll say bye bye to our page design. Go back to your editor, Canva, and then click on add a subtitle or subheading. Click on it again to add 2 of them. Now we drag this to the left and then send it on top a little bit here. We do the same thing to the left one. Perfect. Now let's go ahead and enter our office address and our phone number. In my case, I'm going to copy what is here and then use it on my website. So I'll simply copy it and then double click and paste. Excellent. Next, I need to change the text color. So I'll click on the text color and then choose my white. Good. Now I'll change my font style here, but make sure you highlight everything before doing that. If not, it's not going to take effect. Excellent. You can also reduce the font size if you feel like it's too big on the screen. You can use left alignment, center, justify, or right alignment. Good. It seems we're almost done with this one. Next, we need to enter our social networks. So let me go back and see what's there. So we have Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. You can use their icons on this page. So let me show you how you can use their icons instead of using the names like this. Okay, people would like to see the icons there, and when they click, they will land on your social profiles. So on the side, let's go back there, and then I'll remove this text instead. Good. Now let's go to elements. Once you are there, in this search box, you can type Facebook. Okay, so type Facebook there. After typing Facebook, you can hit enter and wait. And here you can see Facebook logo or Facebook icon. Click on Facebook logo. and then go to graphics. Now this is where you're going to see your graphics, something related to logos. Perfect. Now I will be using this round logo, so I'll click on this one. And right after clicking on it, we can see it here. Please drag it to the right hand side of the screen. Okay, so make sure you do that. So I'm going to click on it. After dragging it, make sure you reduce the size of it because it's too big. So reduce it and then you send it to the top a little bit. So I'll click on it, drag it to the top. I think this is okay. Next, we need to type in this search box. You can type Twitter logo. Okay, so I will remove everything here and then I'll type Twitter logo. After that, click on this suggested and wait. Definitely we would want to use the circular one, so I'll click on this circle one. I'll drag it. Please go ahead and reduce the size of it like this and then leave it there. You can continue reducing the size of them because I feel like they are too big on the screen, so I'll reduce it. Good. Our next social icon is Instagram. So you do the same thing. You type Instagram. So I type Instagram logo. Click on the suggested. Now we click on the Instagram logo. Make sure you reduce the size because it's too big. So reduce it like this. Now click on this and drag it to this part of the screen. Let's reduce the size further. Good. Now we reposition it. Excellent. Now let me show you how you can link your social networks. Okay. So I think the icons are properly aligned. Okay. You can go ahead and play with them. And if you're okay with it, then let's link our social profiles to these icons. So to link your social network, click on your icon and then on top you can see this link thing. Click on it. After clicking on it, you will be asked to enter your link. Go ahead and enter your Facebook profile link there, here. Okay. After that, hit enter or done. Okay. So you can hit enter or done. So enter. After that, go ahead and do the same thing to the rest of them. Simply click on the icon, go to link, enter your Twitter profile link here, and then click on done or hit enter. And finally, you do the same thing to your Instagram icon. Click on top here, enter your Instagram link here, and then hit enter. After that, your links or your icons will be linked to your actual profiles. The next thing we're going to do is to add our Gmail here, which is very simple to achieve. So let's go to text, and then click on subheading. After that, drag it beneath here. It's okay. Now change your font size and style. Excellent. Now we enter our email. So let's say this is support. Sorry. Highlight it and enter your email. So let's say help@solo.com. Excellent. And that is it. We are done with the contact page. So next, I'm going to be showing you how you can integrate payment methods on your website, which is very easy and straightforward to achieve. But let me take you to the products page and show you something. Now this is our product page, and I realize our buttons are big and some of our text too are bold. You can go ahead and reduce the text, the font size of your website. Play around with your website and see how it goes. If you're not clear, again, the comment area is there for you. So you can reduce your font size and your buttons a little bit further. Hello, this is one of the exciting moments of the training. In this part, we are going to integrate a payment method onto our website. That way, customers or your buyers can click on buy now and then land on a payment method or a payment link. They can enter their payment info and then make purchase on your website. So to add a payment method, you need to know the kind of payment method you want to add to your website. We have different kind of payment systems out there. We have PayPal, Paystack, Flutterwave, Stripe, and a lot of payment systems you can integrate to your website. We are going to be creating payment links, and we will link those created or generated links to our buttons. That way, anytime someone clicks on one of your buy now button, it will take the user to a payment page. So to create a payment link, you can go to YouTube and make a quick search on how to create payment link on your preferred payment method. So let's say PayPal. You can search on YouTube and they will show you how to create payment links on your preferred payment methods. But in this video, I'm going to teach you how you can create a payment link in Flutterwave. Okay, because I have a Flutterwave account and I'm going to show you how you can create one for yourself. So go ahead and type flutterwave.com and then it will take you to a page just like this. You'll be able to log in after creating an account with Flutterwave. So I'm going to log in with my Flutterwave account because I assume you have created your account on Flutterwave. Now, after logging in successfully, you will be welcomed with a page like this. Okay, and you'll be able to create payment links. So make sure you verify your Flutterwave account and then go to payment links and then click on that. After clicking on payment links, to your right, you can see new payment link. So just click on new payment link. And you will land on an interface like this. This way you select the type of payment link you want to generate. So the first one is single charge, the second one is subscription, and the third one is donation. We want to create a single payment link or charge payment link. So scroll down a bit and then click on create payment link. Now, this is where you're going to be entering your page name, and this page name can also be your product name. So let me take you to our website, the website we are building. Now, this is the website we are building. Now, the first product is item 1. In your case, you should have your product name, the actual product name here. So item 1, we will be entering item 1 here on your page name. So click on it and then enter item 1. But in your case, you have to enter the actual product name. Next, we need to enter our description. And the description, this way we can get that. So go back to the website and we have some short description about the product. And in your case, you should have the actual description of this product typed out here. So just copy this description, go back to your payment generation page and enter your description here. So this is going to be your description here. So description here. Perfect. And next we need to enter our amount, our price. Because it is in dollar, go ahead and choose dollars, USD. So scroll down a bit and then you see USD there, which is this one, and then you enter your amount, your price here. Okay, so go back to the website and see the price for our first product, which is $2 here. Go back there and then we enter $2. So put 00. Excellent. Now next we need to click on show additional details. So click on it. Good. Scroll down a bit and then you need to enter some extra information here. Now this is where I want you to enter billing address. So enter billing address. This way customers will be able to fill in their billing address, billing info, and you'll be able to ship your products to your customers, those who make payment. Okay, I hope the idea is very simple. Now you can click here, add new one, and then collect more information about these products. So let's say contact. So we can enter contact here or zip code. So let's enter zip code. Perfect. And then we scroll down a bit and then we click on create link. But before that, we need to upload our product image. So make sure you go back to your website. Good. And this is the product image we want. Make sure the product image you use here matches the one you'll be uploading here in order not to cause confusion. So go ahead and upload your product image here. So I'll click on it. Now I will choose my product image, and this happens to be my product image and it's item 1. So I'll click on open and wait. Good. Now this product image will be uploaded to this website or will be added to your payment link, and anytime someone clicks on it, the product image will be displayed. That way it will not cause confusion. My product image is uploaded successfully and it is here. Okay, so scroll down it and then now click on create link. So you click on create link. This way the link will be created, but first they're asking me to verify my account, but this is a demo account, so they're still asking me to continue with the link creation. So I'll just click here to continue with the link creation, and this is for tutorial purposes. I'm not going to be using this link anyway. Okay, and on top you can see payment link created successfully, and right now this is my payment link and it's for item 1. Make sure you copy the link. So you click on copy and on top you can see copy it. Now go back to your website and then click on the buy now button. So you click on it. After that, what you need to do is click on more, and then you can see there's a link here. Click on it. Perfect. Now paste your link here, your payment link there, and hit enter. Excellent. go ahead and do the same thing for the rest of them, but make sure you generate individual or separate payment links for your separate products. If not, they're going to have a lot of questions about your website. Okay, so that is it. It's something to take notice of. Good. So after, I assume you have created your separate payment links and you have added them to your website. So the next thing we're now going to do is to review or preview our website and see how it looks like. Hello, in this part of the video, we're going to preview our website. And if we're happy with the outcome or the end results, then we'll go ahead and publish this website. That way people can make purchases on our website. So to preview your website, on top here, you can see preview. Just click on preview. Now, this is a preview of our website, and on top here, you can see with navigation. That means the website is going to display menus on our website. Sorry, the site is going to display menus. Start displaying menus. On top, you can see one menu, and this is because we did not label or title our pages, and that's why we're only having one menu here. So we can scroll down and see what is on the website, and if we're happy, we'll go ahead and publish the changes or publish this website. Right now, I'm happy with this website, except for my menus. So then, only thing I'm going to be doing on this, at this part of the tutorial, is to go ahead and title my pages the pages I want them to display as menus. So let's go ahead and close this page, and then I'll take you back to the top, and we need to label our pages. So the first page happens to be home, and this is the name. We have a label for it. Scroll down and we have features. Okay, so if you want this to be displayed as a menu, simply click on the page to make it active. So just click on it and you see some options here. Click on this pencil, and after clicking on the pencil, you can see page 2, and then you click here and then add something to it. So let's say this is features. Okay, so features. Good. Now let's continue scrolling, and we have this third page. Just click on it to make it active, and then you click on this pencil. After clicking on it, make sure you click here to add a title or name the page. So this page definitely will be our products page. So products. Good. Let's continue scrolling. We have support and we have what we call contact. So the only page I will be labeling here is the contact. So let's click here, which is page 5 or 6, but make sure you click on that particular page. So this one. All right, so click on the page, this last page, and to your left you can see add page title. So click on add this area to add a title. So here will be support or contact. So let's say contact. Excellent, and we are done. So you can once again preview this website, but I'm okay with what I've done and I'm sure of what I'm doing. But for tutorial purposes, let's still preview this website and see the outcome. Now you can see we have some menus here. Okay, and this is because we added page titles. Now I can see there's still a problem, and this is our products page. So we don't have products menu here. So we still need to do some little touches to the product page for it to display here. So to do so, you can still go back and close this page and then go to products. So I'll take you there. Perfect. Now this is our products page, which is page, I think page 3. Now here, enter products. So you simply click on it and then type products. After that, let's go ahead and preview this website and see how it goes. So you click on preview, and you can see right now we have 4 menus: home, features, products, and contact. And that is all about this website. So finally, we need to click on the publish website. So you click on publish website to make it visible online. That way people can go to your link, go through your products and make purchase. But before that, make sure you leave this thing as it is. That is mobile optimization. So just leave it as it is. And then here, make sure it is with navigation. If not, you have problems. Scroll down a bit, and then because we are using Canva free plan, we can't actually use an existing domain name. Okay, so you need a premium plan to use it. So because this video is for those who have no budget to build professional websites, we're going to be using free domain option. So just leave it as it is, and then go down and you see continue. So click on continue. Okay, click on continue. I don't know if you can see that. After click on continue, you see some options, and the first one is your link. You can go ahead and then change your link. Now from the beginning of this video, I asked you to change the name of your website on top here. So you can see shopper here is now part of our URL. I hope that makes sense. So the website name on top here is now part of my URL, but you can still make changes to it by clicking here and then changing it. So in this part, I'm going to change it to A and not PPER. Okay, this way. Scroll down a bit and then you can also change it here. So to do so, hit this pencil and then remove it and put A here. Enter description about your website, and this may be good for search engine optimization. Okay, so enter your website description and scroll down a bit and then click on publish. Now there are 2 permissions here: enable password protection and hide my website from search engines. Please do not touch them, if not your website is going to have problems and it's not going to be visible anyway. So that's just a quick tip. Now go ahead and click on publish just below.